Hey everyone! If your HP printer isn't working on Windows, or you need to install the latest printer drivers, here's how to download them. Open your internet browser. Search for HP printer drivers. Open the official HP website. Find the option to identify your printer. Here, you can enter your printer's serial number, or product name. You can find this information on the back of your printer. The HP website also shows pictures that explain where to find the serial number and product number on your printer. Once you find your printer, select it from the list. Scroll down to the driver section. Open the drop-down next to driver. Find full software and drivers. Click download. Open your downloads folder once the download is finished. Open the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest HP printer drivers. Once the installation is complete, your printer should be ready to use. That's it. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.